Voice assistants like the Amazon Echo and Google Home are big, having sold tens of millions of devices around the world. But some people think that it's creepy that these little speakers are always listening with their mics on. The first thing we should clear up is that these speakers aren't really listening to everything you say. Both types of speakers have a microphone and processors listening specifically for those key words, and they're offline until they hear them. Now that we've got that cleared up, here are some tips on how to enjoy your voice assistant while having some privacy. First off, blocking incoming calls. A feature of the Amazon Echo is called drop-ins, and this lets you receive calls directly to the speaker. There's a possibility that someone could drop in unannounced and listen to anything happening in the room. If you want to turn this off, go to Settings in the Alexa app and turn on Do Not Disturb. Or you can tell Alexa, "Alexa, don't disturb me."
I won't disturb you.
And toggle it back on with Alexa, turn off Do Not Disturb.
Do Not Disturb is now off.
To turn off drop-in forever, in the Alexa app, go to the settings and find your device. Then scroll to drop-in to deactivate it. With the Google Home, the only way to receive calls is to link your own number to the device. If you want privacy, don't activate this. If you have activated it and now want to turn it off, open the Google Home app, then select your home speaker. Go to the top right corner, Settings, Linked Accounts, and select Unlink. Still uncomfortable with the mic being on? The Echo and Home had physical buttons to turn off the microphone. The Home's is hidden in the back, and the Echo is right on top. This is also handy if people keep changing your music while it's playing. One more thing that might annoy you is the ability anyone has to just walk up to your speaker and order things. We can put a stop to that. The only way anyone can order from your Google Home is via Google Express, and it defaults to being off. The Amazon Echo is more of a trick, as it's a bit too easy for anyone to order straight from Amazon on your Echo. Turn this off by going to the settings in your Alexa app, voice purchasing, and turn it off. If you do want this on, you can add a 4-digit PIN in the screen so only people with the PIN can order. Great for you Amazon Prime addicts. Look, we get that there are privacy worries, but Google and Amazon are big companies and they're giving you the flexibility to keep things by adjusting your speaker to whatever works for you.